Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to dive into today's topic. Reiki, activating your chakras and aura. If you've ever felt a sense of imbalance, a persistent fatigue, or simply disconnected from your true self, or just curious about energy healing, this video is for you. In our fast-paced world, it's easy for our inner energy to become depleted or blocked, leaving us feeling less than whole. But what if there was a gentle yet powerful way to restore that vital flow, to reconnect with your innate well-being, and to truly glow from the inside out? Today, we're diving deep into the profound world of Reiki, an ancient healing art that holds the key to activating and balancing your body's energetic centers, your chakras and your aura. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these incredible energy systems but also learn practical ways to begin harnessing Reiki principles for your own healing and empowerment. If you're ready to unlock deeper healing, spiritual clarity, and vibrant energy, stay with me because this is your ultimate guide to Reiki, chakras, and the aura. Before we dive in, if you're into spirituality, energy work, or holistic healing, hit subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss our deep dives. Before we dive into Reiki, let's talk about why energy is so crucial to our well-being. Everything in the universe, including us, is made of energy. When our energy centers, known as chakras, and our protective energy field, our aura, are out of balance, we can feel drained, anxious, or disconnected. Reiki offers a way to restore that balance, and I'm here to show you how. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Reiki? Reiki, pronounced Reiki, is a Japanese energy healing technique developed by Mikao Usui in the early 20th century. The word itself means universal life force energy, the invisible flow of energy that sustains all living things. It is administered by laying on hands and is based on the idea that this unseen life force energy that flows through us is what causes us to be alive. If one's life force energy is low, then we are more likely to get sick or feel stress, and if it is high, we are more capable of being happy and healthy. The word Reiki is made of two Japanese words, Rei, which means God's wisdom or the higher power, and Ki, which is life force energy. So Reiki is actually spiritually guided life force energy. It's based on the idea that a practitioner can channel universal energy to promote healing and balance in the body, mind, and spirit. Reiki works on the principle that energy flows through us, and blockages in this flow can lead to physical or emotional issues. By using gentle touch or hovering hands over specific areas, a Reiki practitioner acts as a conduit for this universal energy, channeling it through their hands to the recipient, whether in person or remotely, to clear these blockages, restore balance and harmony. While Reiki is spiritual in nature, it is not a religion. It has no dogma, and there is nothing you must believe in order to learn and use Reiki. Now, let's talk about your chakras. In ancient Sanskrit, chakra means wheel or disc, and these are essentially spinning wheels of energy located along the spine, from its base to the crown of your head. Though unseen by the naked eye, these 7 primary energy centers are vital components of your energetic anatomy, each corresponding to specific nerve bundles, organs, and states of being. Each of the 7 main chakras governs different aspects of our physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual health. For instance, the root chakra at the base of your spine relates to security and grounding, while the heart chakra in your chest is the center of love and compassion. When these chakras are open and balanced, energy flows freely, promoting health and vitality. However, stress, trauma, or negative emotions can cause them to become blocked or imbalanced, leading to various issues. Understanding your chakras is like having a map to your inner world. By recognizing which chakra might be out of alignment, you can consciously work to bring it back into balance, leading to profound shifts in your well-being. Reiki provides an excellent pathway to achieve this balance, gently clearing blockages and restoring optimal energy flow. Beyond your physical body and your internal chakras, you are also surrounded by an energetic field known as your aura. Think of your aura as a multi-layered energetic cocoon that emanates from your body, reflecting your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual state. It's often described as a luminous field of energy that surrounds all living things. Your aura acts as a protective shield, but it also serves as a canvas, displaying your current energetic vibration. When you are healthy, happy, and balanced, your aura tends to be vibrant and expansive. Conversely, stress, illness, or negative influences can cause it to become dull, contracted, or even have holes in it, making you more susceptible to external energies. Cleansing and strengthening your aura is crucial for maintaining your overall energetic hygiene and protecting your personal space. So, how do these three elements connect? Reiki, as universal life force energy, directly interacts with your chakra system and your aura. When you apply Reiki principles, you are essentially directing this intelligent energy to where it's needed most, clearing blockages in your chakras, strengthening their energetic output, and simultaneously cleansing and fortifying your aura. Reiki cleanses and strengthens your aura, acting like an energetic shield against negativity. It's a holistic approach that treats the entire energetic system, promoting deep healing and profound balance. Reiki is an amazingly simple technique to learn. To become a practitioner, you'll need to be attuned to Reiki energy by a qualified Reiki master. This is a fundamental part of becoming a Reiki practitioner, and I'll break it down in a clear and concise way. A Reiki attunement is a sacred process performed by a qualified Reiki master to align and connect you with the universal life energy that Reiki channels. Think of it as an energetic initiation or tuning that opens your energy channels, allowing you to access and transmit Reiki energy for healing purposes, whether for yourself or others. It's not something you can learn from a book or video. It requires a direct transmission from a trained master who has been attuned themselves, tracing their lineage back to Mikao Usui, the founder of Reiki. During an attunement, the Reiki master uses specific rituals, symbols, and intentions to adjust your energy field. Each level of Reiki, 1, 2, and Master, typically involves one or more attunements, with each building on the previous one to strengthen your connection to the energy. Post-attunement, you might experience a cleansing period lasting up to 21 days, where old emotions or physical sensations surface as your energy adjusts. This is normal and part of the healing process. You're encouraged to practice self-Reiki daily, drink plenty of water, rest, and journal any insights. The attunement permanently connects you to Reiki energy. You don't lose it, but regular practice keeps the flow strong. In essence, being attuned by a qualified Reiki master is like being given a key to a vast source of healing energy. It's the gateway to becoming a practitioner, empowering you to work with this universal force. Reiki is grounded in 5 core principles that help guide the practitioner's approach to life and healing. These principles serve as a foundation for personal growth, mindfulness, and compassion. Just for today, I will not be angry. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I will be grateful. Just for today, I will do my work honestly. Just for today, I will be kind to every living thing. These principles are not only important for Reiki practice, but also for living a balanced, mindful life. They encourage a sense of peace and tranquility in both the practitioner and the client. As we come to the end of this video, I want to emphasize that Reiki isn't just a one-time practice. It's a lifestyle of tuning into your energy. By activating your chakras and cleansing your aura, you're taking control of your well-being in a holistic way. Each session builds on the last, helping you feel more aligned, grounded, and radiant. If you dedicate yourself frequently, you can tap into an unlimited supply of life force energy to improve one's health and enhance the quality of life. Reiki is a simple, natural, and safe method of spiritual healing and self-improvement that everyone can use. Lastly, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Reiki before? Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. Your experiences inspire me and this beautiful community we're building together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people on their spiritual path. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when I drop new content on energy healing, meditation, and more. For a deeper dive, check out my playlist on chakra healing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's keep this positive energy flowing. See you in the next video.